Hello? Hey Luke, do you want to come to my birthday party today? There's gonna be lots of girls, including Cindy. Did you say Cindy? Yup. When should I come? Well, the party starts at 3, so you could come a bit earlier if you want. Okay, sounds good. I'll see you then. Oh, one more thing. It's a pool party, so bring your bathing suit and a towel. Did you say pool party? Yeah, I gotta go get ready though, so I'll see you in a bit, okay?
Which one would you choose? Comment below and let me know. Click the subscribe and like button if you chose answer A. Subscribe and share if you chose B. Skip the video if you chose C. I give you 3 seconds to choose.